Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on LG Gram. In order to do this, first you have to open the control center by clicking these three icons on your taskbar, and then you can move this slider at the bottom to the left to decrease the sound volume, or to the right to increase it. You can also mute your microphone, mute your system audio by clicking this icon right here, or you can change the sound output by clicking this icon right here and selecting the output device. Now besides, you can adjust sound settings by pressing and holding the F10 button and using F10 button to mute your sound volume, F11 to decrease the sound volume, and F12 to increase it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.